Hi everybody, you already have a video for page 87, but it doesn't cover exercises 5 and 6, okay? This is quite easy. We've seen it in the B2 book, and we've seen something much harder than this. So this is like really basic. Okay, so can you read and answer the questions? Stop the video if you need to. I'm going to give the answer in 3, 2, 1. So this is more formal and official. You might find in reports, proposals, any kind of formal writing. Is very common on the news. I listen to this podcast, BBC Global News podcast, and this is quite common. Okay, it is believed that 5 people are still missing, because of the earthquakes in Turkey recently. This is 2023, and it's quite common. Okay, and even the other kind of reported passive, which I'll include in a different video because I already have it recorded from the other book. Okay, so very simple. Instead of saying people say, people think, people blah blah, and then people say that, so instead of saying that, you say it is said, it is thought, it is believed. Notice that this can change. So if now you say people said blah blah blah, so instead of is, you need the past. So in the 13th century it was believed that the earth was flat. Okay, so as simple as that. Okay, so that's what you have in this exercise. You have these sentences and you have to use this structure: it with the correct verb, accepted, whatever verb you're given, and then the correct form of verb to be according to the sentence. So very simple. So I'm going to show the answers in 3, 2, 1. Okay. And number 2, you can say it is suggested or it has been suggested, because it says recent studies, so it makes more sense to say it's been suggested. Here only this one appears, but in the book, in the teacher's book, it says it is suggested, it's been suggested, because of this. Okay, recent studies, so last year it was suggested, last month it was suggested, so recently it's been suggested in these studies that. Okay, and I think now this is past because used to, so it's past. And have been saying, so it has been argued. You can say like present perfect continuous here. It has been it's impossible. It has been being argued, ha estado siendo argumentado, it has been argued. Okay, so you can think of some examples of this. It is believed that Barcelona will face criminal charges for corruption or for paying a former referee, okay, so as to get beneficial treatment during matches. So as I said, there'll be another video with further practice of this. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.